This is OnnoRokom Science Box Color of Light. 25 exciting experiments can be conducted with the components inside. This one is suited for children of 7 to 16 years, but academically speaking, this is more suited for class 6, 8, 9 and 10. Let's see what's inside. This is a quick startup guide, a tutorial CD, a manual book, and there are some other components here: 2 batteries, a motor, a candle, 1 battery casing, a convex lens, bead box, a bouncing ball, a laser light, goggles, and in this packet there are some mirrors and transparent glasses. Underneath all of these there are some more things. Inside this packet, a small stroboscope, some Newton's color discs, there are a few of them, and perforated cardboards, small cardboard pieces. This piece is used to make a pinhole camera, some more glasses to make a kaleidoscope, perforated cardboard, and this piece is used to make a periscope. So as you can see, some exciting things can be made. For example, a periscope, a kaleidoscope, pinhole camera, and lots of other things with these components. If you want one of these, please directly message us.